James Monroe's second inaugural address. March 5, 1821. I should be destitute of feeling if I was not deeply affected by the strong proof which my fellow citizens have given me of their confidence, in calling me to the second term of the same high office whose duties I am about to resume. As the expression of their confidence proceeds from the deliberate and tranquil suffrage of a free and virtuous nation, it merits my sincere and grateful acknowledgments. With renewed zeal and ardor I shall enter on the duties of the office, resolved to devote all my faculties to their faithful discharge. The experience of the last 4 years, under circumstances peculiarly favorable, has strengthened my confidence in the principles on which our institutions are founded. Our government, founded on the rights of man and securing the liberty of the citizen, has been tested in peace and war, and has been found equal to every exigency. In the period which has elapsed since the adoption of the Constitution, our country has acquired strength, credit, and respectability among the nations of the earth. We have preserved our independence and maintained our rights, while avoiding the calamities of foreign wars and internal dissensions. The great object of my administration has been, and will continue to be, to maintain the Union and preserve the Constitution in its purity. The rights of the states will be respected, and the powers of the general government confined to their constitutional limits. The public debt incurred in defense of our rights and independence has been reduced, and it will be my earnest desire to complete its extinguishment at the earliest practicable period. Economy in the public expenditures and a just application of the public revenues will be steadily pursued. The military establishment, while adequate to the purposes of defense, shall be restrained within the limits consistent with the principles of a free government. The militia will continue to be regarded as the great bulwark of our defense. With foreign powers, our policy shall continue to be peace, commerce, and honest friendship, without entangling alliances. We shall respect the rights of other nations, and require from them a like respect for our own. The advancement of agriculture, commerce, and manufactures, the encouragement of education, and the diffusion of useful knowledge will receive my constant attention, so far as they are consistent with the Constitution and the rights of the states. Our fellow citizens may rest assured that every measure of the government will be directed to the preservation of their liberty, the promotion of their happiness, and the perpetuation of our free institutions. In entering again on the duties of this high trust, I invoke the continued blessing of that Almighty Being who has hitherto so signally favored our beloved country, and I fervently pray that He may guide our counsels, protect our union, and crown our labors with peace, prosperity, and happiness.